Welcome back to Decorio Studio, your ultimate destination for luxurious home decor and interior design inspirations. Today, we are diving into the magical world of holiday styling, with 12 incredible glass transparency ideas to create breathtaking floating 2026 Christmas centerpieces without breaking the bank. These budget-friendly designs leverage the optical illusion of water in clear vessels to achieve a high-end, sophisticated aesthetic. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss our weekly design secrets and festive updates. This concept uses standard cylinder bases filled with clear water to elevate simple faux berry branches. By weighing down the holly or winterberries at the bottom, they appear suspended in midair. A single white floating candle placed on top completes the illusion while adding a warm flickering glow. It is an incredibly affordable way to bring classic holiday colors into a modern minimalist setting. Transform leftover metallic ornaments into a magical floating display inside a tall clear glass column. Clear water beads are packed tightly into the vessel to hold the shiny baubles invisibly in place. When water is poured over the beads, they completely disappear, leaving the colorful ornaments seemingly levitating. This approach creates a stunning focal point for any dining room table at a fraction of boutique store prices. For a rustic yet luxurious vibe, try submerging waterproof microfairy lights beneath frosted plancones. The glass transparency allows the warm white illumination to diffuse beautifully throughout the entire centerpiece. Pincones naturally float, creating a perfect textural contrast against the clear liquid and glass elements below. This low-cost design instantly bridges the gap between natural elements and upscale contemporary holiday decor. Modern holiday styling shines brightly when using architectural geometric glass prisms as your main vessel. Fill the prism with water and insert fresh eucalyptus sprigs that stay perfectly anchored at the base. The clean lines of the clear glass reflect the silver-green leaves, offering a fresh color palette for 2026. Top the arrangement with a tea light to catch the angles of the transparent enclosure beautifully. Use affordable glass fishbowls stacked together or arranged in a trio to create a whimsical winter wonderland. Lightweight white mesh or styrofoam snowballs are held in place using transparent water polymer gel. Once fully hydrated, the medium becomes completely invisible, highlighting the pristine white spheres inside. This setup mimics an elegant frozen sculpture while remaining incredibly safe and easy to assemble on a budget. Capture the frosty elegance of winter by layering acrylic icicles and metallic silver beads inside clear jars. As the clear water masks the supporting gel, the icicles appear to freeze mid-drop within the glass. This look channels high-end boutique storefront designs using inexpensive items from local dollar stores. The transparency maximizes daylight reflection during the afternoon and bounces candlelight beautifully in the evening. Give standard faux fern fronds a touch of holiday glamour with a quick coat of gold spray paint. Submerge these metallic leaves inside a heavy square transparent glass block filled entirely with distilled water. The flat glass planes magnify the golden details, making the cheap greenery look exceptionally expensive. It offers an avant-garde approach to holiday botanical displays that pairs nicely with sleek, modern tableware. Unfurl a simple wire star garland inside a classic glass hurricane vase filled with transparent gel beads. The wire disappears into the background while the tiny metallic stars look like a constellation trapped in glass. Add water to complete the floating effect and watch the stars shimmer under your dining room lights. This minimalist approach keeps your table line clean while providing plenty of festive holiday magic. Bring an olfactory and visual delight to your guests with floating dried citrus and cinnamon sticks. Standard wide-mouth glass jars allow these traditional holiday spices and fruits to float naturally on the water surface. Underneath, you can hide a submersible LED light to silhouette the beautiful patterns of the translucent orange slices. This centerpiece is highly affordable, entirely natural, and fills the room with a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Utilize mismatched, clear glass wine goblets or chalices to hold tiny, budget-friendly sisal trees. The transparency of the goblets emphasizes the floating illusion when water gel beads hold the trees upright. Grouping these goblets at varying heights across the table creates a dynamic and sophisticated landscape. This clever upcycling project costs almost nothing but delivers an elegant, curated look for your holiday feast. For a classic timeless aesthetic, opt for glossy faux pearl strands suspended inside elegant fluted glass vases. The transparent water bead trick works perfectly here to make individual pearls appear to dance in midair. The fluted texture of the clear glass adds extra dimension and distorts the light into luxurious patterns. This centerpiece brings immediate high-end sophistication to your table without demanding a massive financial investment. Arrange cheap acrylic crystal drops on top of a water-filled, transparent-footed glass centerpiece tray. The crystals float seamlessly alongside delicate white flower petals to create a dreamy, ethereal winter display. This final design proves that breathtaking luxury is achievable using simple materials and smart optical tricks. We hope you enjoyed these luxury hacks for the festive season, so please comment, like, share and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next design breakdown. Goodbye.